When you usually cut a watermelon, you are used to cutting the watermelon in half from the middle and then cutting it in half and then dividing it into triangular pieces. But this way of cutting the watermelon juice is easy to get stuck in your mouth and it's hard to bite it when it's too big. Today I'm going to teach you a better way to cut it along the short side of the watermelon, and then I'm going to cut it down, and then I'm going to cut it in one direction, and then I'm going to cut it in another direction, and then I'm going to cut it in another direction. The surface will form a neat grid, and then you can pull out a piece and it's just right for the size of the flesh. In addition, when we cut the onion, it is easy to shed tears and tears, but it is because after the onion root is cut, the inner stimulating chemical substances evaporate. If you want to reduce this situation, we first keep the onion root still and just cut off the top. Then divide the onion in half along the middle and then cut the surface down and then peel off the outer skin. Next, cut each half of the onion in the direction of the root, but don't cut off the root completely and then cut it horizontally a few times and then cut it off from the top. The onion will automatically spread and the root will remain intact at the end. This will make your eyes much more comfortable.